how to add music to Instagram post. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram post. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the plus icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the new section from where you can choose the photo that you want to upload. So here, just choose the photo or video that you want to upload as a post. And here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on next. And now here, on the next section, what you can do is you can just tap on the audio option just shown in the top or the bottom left side of the screen. Now here, once you tap on it, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can simply search for the song that you want to use and tap on it to select it. And here, once you have selected them, you can just tap on the arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here in this section, you can choose the music interface for your post. And here, once you're done with it, you can just tap on the check icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're done adding the song, you can just tap on next icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And after that, you can just tap on next. But here, before sharing it, if you want, you can add captions, tag people's, add locations as well. And that's it. That's how you can add music to your Instagram post. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.